to show you how to design this connecting rod in Fusion 360. Let's get right in. So we're going to start with a sketch on the top plane. So we're going to click this one right here. Let's start by drawing, like we're going to work out from one circle, and I'm going to start in the origin right here. So let's do a circle that has a diameter of 19 millimeters. Okay. Then I'm going to draw another one. This one's going to be diameter 25. Okay. We're going to draw another one over here, and we're going to change where it goes. But first, we're going to start just by drawing this, and then we'll modify it from there. So this diameter is going to be 11. Then what we need to do is we need to add a dimension on it, and this kind of constrains it to a certain distance. So let's click this, and we're going to start on this side to the center point here, and to the center point over here, and we'll drag this up. And it'll give us a distance. Okay, if we type in here, then it'll modify and move for us. So for this distance, I want it to be 50, and it's going to shift that other one to its position it needs to be. And if I was to change it to something else, I could say maybe 30. But you can edit this at any point and even in the future after you do other stuff. But for the design, we're going to do 50. Okay, then I'm going to draw another circle outside this one. Diameter is going to be 17. Probably good to draw them a different direction so that the dimensions don't cover each other up. All right, 17. Oh, gosh. We'll get this right. 17. Good. All right, I'm going to draw another circle on the inside here for that shape there, and that's going to be a radius of 4, so diameter of 8. Okay. I want to put a dimension so I can constrain it to a certain distance. So let's click there, and click this one. We're going to, oh, that didn't work. Let's try again. So constrain it from here to there. I'm afraid of that. Escape. Escape. Gosh. Stop it. I'm afraid of it's going to move one of them, but maybe it won't. Okay, this needs to be 19. That worked. Okay, we'll draw another circle out on the center line, and that should have been a radius of 3. Diameter 6. Okay, let's put a constraint on that, or the dimension from here to here. And that distance is 16. Okay. All right, now we're going to draw some lines. I wish I had a way of doing this, but I just kind of want it to be tangent. Let's start by doing this one straight right there. It'd be nice to have a tangent where it touches but doesn't cross. And sometimes when you get it, like there it is, so when you line it up, it's going to say that it's tangent. Let's do the same on this side. Start on the right below the center point. And slide along this line until it changes. This. Do the same. So you can't snap to that edge. That is close. Tangent. And tangent. Okay, that is it for the design. I'm going to trim it up a little bit. Not necessary, but we can. Okay, that looks good. We're going to finish sketch and rotate so we have a 3D point of view. And we're going to do extrude. And I want to choose symmetric extrude. Let's start by let's do this big one. Okay, so we're going to extrude it. The total distance is 19 across here. So it's got to be half of that. So let's do 9.5. Enter. You notice that our sketch disappeared. We need to make that reappear by clicking on our sketches or opening our sketches and then opening the eye. All right, now let's do the dual extrusion on this side. Needs to be symmetric. Drag it up, and this distance is 24, so we need 12 is halfway. Okay, now let's do one more. Let's extrude this body. Let's do it symmetrically. And push pull it. This distance should be 6, so we're going to go halfway, and that's 3. Excellent. Okay, last thing on the design, we have some fillets. So we're going to choose this tool right here. If not, it's going to be in here. But fillets, the round one. And we're going to click this edge, and I'm going to turn slightly and click this one and this one. Then we're going to grab our arrow, we're going to pull it out, and we're going to do a radius of 3 millimeters. And that's it. And hit enter. Okay, that is the complete connecting rod. That would then need to be exported and opened up in Cura and printed. Let's show you how to do that. So to export to the 3D printer, we need to click Utilities. And we're going to click this little box right here. That's 3D print. Okay, option's going to come here. We're going to do select. So this is going to choose the body we're going to select. And I'm going to do output to Cura in my case. And click OK, and I will come back when we're in Cura. All right, in Cura, it imports it right on the origin. We got to move that, so we're going to click on it. We're going to grab by the arrows to center it into the build area. I'm going to lift it and then drop it. That's going to set it on the bed. But we've got a problem here is that one of these is much wider than the other one, so this is all going to print in the air. So we need to choose support. So inside your settings, if you don't have this, you click here and you're going to click supports. Then when we slice it and preview it, you'll be able to see the supports. I always recommend previewing. So click here and it shows all our supports underneath. Looking good. Let's go down through here and see how it looks. That's perfect. All right, looking good. If you were to print it and you did the preview and this little brim was only around this side, it means that this is going to try to print in the air and it's going to fail. So that's no good. But anyways, good luck and we'll see you later.